Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this smoky eye, and I'm going to start using with this Matchbox Photo Finish Lit Primer, my current favorite eyeshadow primer. I prefer this on instead of the MAC primer. I feel like it gives more smooth and less dry finish. It's super nice. As you all can see, I'm not wearing foundation, and this is because I'm going to have a lot of fallout with this eyeshadow look. So yeah, I just decided to do my foundation afterwards. I'm using the Balm Tremoni eye palette. I'm going to use that super light shade, and I'm going to use that one to set my crease. So only going to apply this on the crease, not so much on the eyelids. So now I'm taking the same palette, and I'm going to use this middle brown shade, and I'm going to blend this all over in my crease. It's going to my transition shade, and what I mean, this is the first shade apply my crease, and it will help to blend all the other eyeshadows that I'm going to apply afterwards. So I'm just going to blend this back and forth now. I'm going to use a different palette by the Balm is the matte eye palette, and I'm going to use this pretty brown shade, and I'm just going to blend this in decrease as well. But I picked up a smaller blending brush so I can work a little bit more precise, and what doing is basically making sort of round motion all over my crease. So this shade goes all the way from inner corner to the outer corner to create a sort of round effect. So the smokiness is all around my eyelids, if that makes sense. So now I'm going back in with that middle brown shade for determining a palette, and I'm going to blend this in my crease just to make sure that there are no harsh lines. So now I'm going in with this reddish shade from the Tremoni palette, and I'm going to take a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to sort of press and blend this in my crease. I just want it to be all over in my crease, and you don't really have to worry when you recreate this that the reddish eyeshadow is also going more towards the eyelids, because it will go in with black eyeshadow later on. So just don't worry, after applying it like eyeshadow you won't see anything back from it. And I'm going to just blend this back and forth all over in the crease as well, just to make it a little bit more warm. And now I'm going in with this Sigma Wicked eyeliner. This is just a basic black gel eyeliner. You can use any brand that you have. And I'm going to apply this all over the eyelids as a base for my black eyeshadow. So it's going to be super intense black. I'm using a concealer brush from the brand Sigma Beauty, and I'm just going to first apply this and press this on the eyelids, and then I'm going around the edges to kind of blend it out. So I'm going in with determining a palette. I'm going to use the black eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply this straight on top of the black gel liner. And when I'm done with that, I'm going to blend this around the edges to make it look less harsh. And for this step, I'm using the same Morphe M506 brush, which I also used to blend that a reddish brown shade. For in my crease, this is a really nice brush because you can blend super precisely. In this case, that comes in super handy. So now I'm going in with T the Bombs from the eye palette again, and I'm using that reddish shade, and I'm going in with my flat blending brush by Sigma Beauty, and I'm just going to blend this around the edges. And since I've already blended this in my crease before, it will not be super hard to work with this shade because that shade is already in my crease. So now I'm just going to sort of blend this on the edge of the black eyeshadow and on my crease where the shade is already, and then you are just going to smudge it, and eventually it looks super smooth and blended out. But just patient, keep blending until you are satisfied. It will take the time, but it will be worth it. So now I'm going to use the eye makeup remover, and I'm just going to make sure that all the black eyeshadow is removed underneath the eye, so I can then go in with my foundation and concealer. It just looks super clean. So now I'm going in with this black eye pencil from Marc Jacobs, and I'm going to apply any one line, and I'm also going to tight line above my left line to make it extra smoky, and the table will be no skin showing through my lashes. I know it looks kind of scared but it wouldn't be. And also this one is super long lasting. This eye pencil super nice. So now I'm going back in with the Germany eye palette, and I'm going to use the black eyeshadow. Okay, again I'm going to use the black eyeshadow from this palette, and I'm going to press this right underneath my lower lash line and also sliding on top my lash line so it connects with each other, and I don't want any skin to show through it. So this is basically the reason why I'm doing this. If you wear eye contacts, be a little bit careful with this, but we'll just make it look extra smoky, and that's where we're going for. So now I'm going back in Meat Matte eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, this is so confusing. I'm going back in with that brown shade which I have also used for in my crease, and I'm just going to blend this softly underneath a black eyeshadow to make everything look well blended out. So now I'm going to coat my lashes with a little bit of mascara, and for my fake lashes I'm using dainty lashes. And yes, this is already the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to thumbs up. This will really help my channel grow. And yeah, I just hope to see my next video. Bye guys.